Russia launched the largest missile and drone attack on Ukrainian energy infrastructure, hitting the country's largest dam and causing blackouts in several regions. The Spanish Ministry of Defense has announced plans to send additional Leopard 2A4 tanks to Ukraine. As per reports, the Spanish government intends to complete delivery of 19 additional Leopard tanks by September 2024. As per news, Argentina's President Javier Milei opted for the pre-owned F-16s with deal worth $650 million, and deal would also include AIM-120 missiles. A picture of China's under-development heavy-class attack helicopter Z-21 has surfaced online, having resemblance similar to the Z-10, which is a medium-weight class chopper and is the mainstay of China's heliborne support for ground operations. Russia's Delta IV class nuclear ballistic missile submarine Thwart appears to have an armor screen on top of its conning tower, which are intended to reduce damage and protect vessel against a potential drone attack.